Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the upper button for about 10 to 15 seconds, basically to turn off the watch. So let's press and hold it. Okay, now we can release it, and at this point the watch should be turned off. So if we press any button, nothing will happen, as you can see. And to turn it back on, simply press and hold the upper button until you see the Mi logo on the screen. And after a second or two, your watch should boot into system. And that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.